Now we will see what are object complement. Okay, now I hope you are clear with subject complement. Okay, now we would see what are object complement. What are object complement? Okay, object complement, I'm writing it over here. Okay, a noun or an adjective or a phrase. Okay, phrase means a group of words. Okay, a noun, an adjective, or a group of words which aids information about the direct object. So, what are object complement? It is a noun, an adjective, or a phrase which aids information about the direct. Aids means which gives information about the direct object. Now remember, we have already learned what is a direct and indirect object, right? For a direct object, what are the questions that we have to ask? What or who, right? To find out a direct object, we just need to ask the question what or whom. Okay, so object complement is a noun or an adjective or a phrase which aids information about the direct object. Now we would understand this with the help of an example. Okay, they called Andrea genius. Now, what are object? What is an object? Remember, I told you that an object is a noun. Yes or no? An object can be a noun. An object is a noun, is a thing or a person. Okay, so here in this sentence, they is the subject, right? Cold is the verb. Now, after the verb, again we have Andrea. Now you have to ask the question what or whom, right? If it's a thing, we can ask what. If it's a person, then we can ask who. Now in this case, Andrea is a person, so whom did they called? The question we can ask is whom did they called? They called Andrea. Now here Andrea is we can say Andrea is the object, right? Andrea is the object. So they called Andrea genius. Now here the word genius. What is it? It's a complement because they called Andrea genius. Now the work of an object complement is to give information, add information about the direct object. So this word genius is giving information about they or is giving information about Andrea. It's about Andrea, right? And Andrea is the object. Okay, so I hope this is understood. Okay, now let me give you one more example to make it more clear. They elected him leader. Now again, see the definition of the object complement: a noun or an adjective or a phrase which adds information about the direct object. In this one, genius is an adjective. Now in this case, they elected. Here again, they is the subject, elected is the verb, right? And him is the object. Now the word leader, the noun, okay? It's a noun. So whom did they elected? Whom did they elected? Is the word leader connected with they or leader is connected with him? They and him are two different persons. Yeah, they are two different persons. So the word elected, the word leader, whom am I addressing the word leader to? Am I addressing to him or to them? Him, right? Leader is used for him. So here we know that him is our object, right? So the word leader is your object complement. Am I clear? And even here is your genius is your object complement, because genius is used to describe Andrea and him is used to describe leader is used to describe him. I hope this is clear to you all by the subject and object complement.